Namaste बच्चों. Hello children. So children, so far we learnt up to A ki matra, isn't it? Today we are going to learn I ki matra and O ki matra. First we are learning I ki matra. So this is the symbol for the letter I. Already I told you matra means symbol. Okay, so this is the letter I and this is the symbol for the letter I. For example, it plus I, die. Already I told you, if you add the symbol with any letter, it will get the sound of letter I. So these are some examples for I ki matra. Next is plus I, sai. Ik plus I, kai. Yim plus I, my. It plus I, tai. Ip plus I, pi. In plus I, nai. It plus I, tai. So, children, I hope you understood this, which means if you add this I ki matra with any letter, automatically the letter gets the sound of I. Let's see some examples for this matra. So children, this is lesson number 10, Pairak. So it means what? Keep the leg. So in this lesson, we are learning I ki matra. These are some example words for I ki matra. Each and every letter has I ki matra in this lesson. Let's see what. First one is what? See the picture here. What have been given here? These are daily paper, that means newspapers, isn't it? So for daily paper in Hindi, Dainik. We should say Dainik for daily paper. Here, as I taught before, the letter Da has the symbol of letter I, isn't it? So this letter Da becomes Dai. So Dai, Ni, Ka, Dainik. Second word is Sainik. See the picture here. What is in the picture? This is a picture of a soldier, isn't it? For soldier, we should say in Hindi Sainik. Sainik means what? Soldier. Here we have this I ki matra with the letter Sa. So Sa becomes Sai. So Sai, Ni, Ka. You should spell this word as Sai, Ni, Ka. Sainik. So next word is Dainik, Dainiki. Here, as we saw before, here also we have I ki matra with the letter Da. Okay? So Da becomes Dai. Here we have Ni and Ki. So Dai, Ni, Ki, Dainiki. Dainiki means what? Diary. Okay? Next we have Maina. See here, this bird is called Maina. in English, isn't it? In Hindi also we should say that maina. Okay, here we have I ki matra with the letter ma. So im plus I, my. If you join these two letters, that means I and ma together, will get my. And the next letter is na, maina. So maina in English as well as in Hindi also we should say maina. Next word is maidan. Again we got this letter my. Maidan. Maidan means, see what it is? Ground. For ground in Hindi, maidan. Next one is kaidi. See here. Here we have ka plus I ki matra. So ka becomes what? Kai. Then di. So kai, di, kaidi. What it means? Prisoner. Kaidi means what? Prisoner. Next is what? Swim. For swim in Hindi, tire. What should we say? Tire. Here we have I ki matra with the letter ta. So it plus I becomes tai. And if you add ra with this tai, it becomes what? Tire. Tire means what? Swim. Next what we have? Yes, a picture of a leg, isn't it? For leg in Hindi we should say pair. Here the I ki matra is with the letter pa. So pa becomes pi. And again we are adding ra with this letter. So it becomes what? Pair. Pair means leg. Next word is paisa. Paisa. So in English, what we say for paisa? See the picture here. What is in the picture? This is one pice, isn't it? This is a picture of a pice. So in English we should say pice. In Hindi we should say paisa. Okay. Again we have pi here, isn't it? Pa, letter pa with I ki matra. So pi, sa, paisa. Next is what? God. For God we can say dive in Hindi. Okay, we should say what? For God, dive. Here we have this letter da with I ki matra. So it becomes dai and the next letter is va. You should spell this word as dai va. But you should pronounce this as dive. Dive means God. Next word is what? Taila. Taila. Taila means what? See here. Yes, you're right. It means what? Bag. Here, I ki matra is with the letter tha. So, tha becomes tai and the next letter is long sound la. So, you should say this word taila. Taila means what? Bag. The last word we have here is what? Boat. See the picture? What is this picture? Boat, isn't it? For boat, in Hindi we should say naiya. Naiya means what? Boat. Here we have I ki matra with the letter na. So na becomes nai. And the next letter is long sound ya. So while you spell this word, you should read like this: nai ya, and pronounce this word as naiya. Okay, because we have aki matra at the end of this word, so you should spell this word nai ya, naiya. Okay, got it, children? So in this 10th lesson we learned I ki matra, isn't it? Next is what? Next we are going to learn O ki matra. O ki matra. After I we have O in svar, isn't it? Next letter in the svar is O after I, isn't it? So in this 11th lesson, Toda De, we are learning this O ki matra through this video. Okay, so for an example, this is O ki matra, isn't it? So if you add this O ki matra with the letter K, it becomes ko. See here, this is ik plus O gives us the sound ko. Another example is im. Already I taught you that this is hal, a small symbol below this letter is hal. Okay, if you add this hal with any letter, this should be, the letter should be pronounced as half letter. So ma becomes what? Im. Here ka becomes ik. Okay, so ik plus o ko, im plus o mo. Let's see this O ki matra briefly in the lesson Toda De, 11th lesson. See the parrot. Toda Dek means what? See the parrot. So Toda means parrot, Dek means see. So Toda Dek, see the parrot. Here also we have some words. For an example, more. First word is what? More. More means what? See the picture. It is a picture of a peacock, isn't it? So here we have O ki matra with the letter ma. So ma becomes what? Mo. Mo, ra, more. More means what? Peacock. Likewise, in the next word, we have O ki matra with the letter cha. So cha becomes what? Cho. Cho plus ra gives us chor. Okay? Cho, ra, chor. So chor means what? Thief. Okay? For thief in Hindi, what? Chor. Next one is bore. Here we have O ki matra with the letter ba, so it becomes bo. Bo, ra, bore. Bore means dawn. Next word is kargosh. Kargosh. See the picture here. What is in the picture? You would have seen this animal, isn't it? Yes. Yes, you people are right. This is what? Rabbit, isn't it? In Hindi, for rabbit, kargosh. We should say what? Kargosh. Ka, ra, go, sha. Kargosh. How will you spell this word? Ka, ra, go, sha. Kargosh. Got it? What is the next word? Gobi. See here, here we have O ki matra with the letter G. So G becomes what? Go. Next is long sound B. So gobi. Gobi means what? Cauliflower. Gobi means what? Cauliflower. The next word is Bhojan. Again we have Oki Matra with the letter Ba. So Bojana, Bojan. Bojan means meals. Next word is Topi. Here we have Oki Matra with the letter Ta. So Ta becomes To. Next is long sound P. P ki matra. I mean E ki matra with the letter Pa. So Pa becomes P. Long sound E ki matra with the letter Pa. So To P. Topi. Topi means what? Cap. Next is Moti. Moti. Moti means pearl. Moti. Moti. Pearl. Next word is Roti. See here in English also we should say Roti for Roti. Okay. Here we have Oki Matra with the letter Ra. So Ra becomes Ro. And this is T. Roti. Next is Tokri. Tokri means what? Basket. Again we have Oki Matra with the letter Ta. To-k-ri. Tokri. So Tokri means basket. Next is Toda. Toda. Toda means what? Parrot. Here we have Oki Matra with the letter Tha. So Ta becomes To. And next is also letter Ta, long sound Ta. So Tota. Tota means parrot. Last we have a picture of a horse. For horse in Hindi you should say Goda. What it is? Goda. Here we have Oki Matra with the letter Ga. So Ga becomes Go. And this is Da. Goda. Goda means horse. So children, I hope you understood these two matras, that is Aiki Matra and Oki Matra very well. Next we have Auki Matra. So in this lesson number 12 we are going to learn Auki Matra. So Fauj Aya. What is the name of this lesson? Fauj Aya. Army came. Okay. This is Auki Matra. For an example, Ik plus Au, cow. So here also we have some example words. First one is what? Kawwa. Kawwa means crow. As I said before, the matra, if you add the matra with any letter, it gets the sound of that matra, isn't it? So here we have matra with the letter Ka. So Ka becomes cow and the next letter is A. Kawwa. Kawwa means what? Crow. Likewise, these words also, the following words also has this matra. I am going to read and show you each and every word. Okay, listen carefully. Second word is what? Gauraya. Gauraya means sparrow. Gauraya. Gauraya. Sparrow. Next is Tauliya. Tauliya means what? Towel. Tauliya. Tauliya. Towel. The next word is Hatauti. Hatauti means hammer. So Hatauti means hammer. Ha-tau-di. Hatauti. Okay. It means what? Hammer. Next is Lauki. 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 Bottle god. Next word is pauda. 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 Plant. Chaugidar. 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 Watchman. Chaugidar means what? Watchman. Next is kilauna. 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 Toy. The next word is love. Love means what? Flame. This matra is with the letter la, so it becomes love. It means what? Flame. This word is what? Fauj. Isn't it? Already I told you Fauj means what? Army. Fauja. Fauj. Army. Next we have the word Fawara. 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 It means fountain. Last word is Naukar. Naukar means servant. Naukara. Naukar. It means what? Servant. So children, in this session we learnt up 3 matras so far, isn't it? The last matra we have is Amki matra and Ahaki matra. We are going to end this section with this matra. Janda Dekh, 13th lesson, we have this matra. We are going to learn this matra briefly through this lesson, Janda Dekh. So this is letter Here we have words with Amki matra and Ahaki matra. See here, Janda Dekh means what? See the flag. Already I taught you that this is letter and this is Aha. So in this lesson we are learning 2 matras. For example, Ik plus kam and Ik plus Aha kaha. See here, these are some words which has Amki matra and Ahaki matra. First word is Anda. See here, Anda means what? Egg. A-in-da. Anda. So if you place a dot on the top of the word, it will get the sound of in. Okay. So Anda. Anda means egg. Next word is what? See the picture. Tanda. Tanda means what? Stick. Next one is Janda. Janda means flag. Next word is Kangi. Ka-in-gi. Kangi. Comb. This one is Hums. Hums means swan. Ha-im-sa. Either you can say this matra in or im. Okay, here we should pronounce this as im. Ha-im-sa. Hums. Swan. It means what? Swan. Next one is Bandar. Ba-in-da-ra. Bandar. Monkey. So, hereafter we are going to learn Ahaki matra. See here, in this word we have Ahaki matra. What is this letter? Na. Na, ma, and this is Haki matra. Namaha. So, how should you pronounce? Namaha. Okay. So, Namaha means salute. Next is Chahar. 6. This is what? Sad. See, this child is looking sad. So we should say this word dukh. Okay, du ha ka dukh. Like that you should pronounce. So this in this word, aha sound is silent. Okay, we should read this as dukh. Here we have Chandrabind. This symbol is called Chandrabind. This is nasal sound. In English, we should say nasal sound. Okay, what is this symbol called? Chandrabind. What is this word? Gav. Okay, Gav. Gav. Okay, means what? Village. Next is Chand. Cha. This also you can say in. If you want to spell this word, you should say cha in the. Chand. Okay, Chand means moon. The last word is Samp. Sa in pa. Samp. Okay, it means what? Snake. So children, so far we learned 4 matras in this section, isn't it? So I hope you all understood these matras. So children, keep practice by reading and writing these matras. Okay children, thank you for watching this video. Bye.